Hey guys, so today we're gonna have a look at the 2017 Nissan GT-R R35, the orange colored one from the Nightburners series. This was from 2017. So finally we're gonna be able to open one up. So let's have a look. So apparently there's one of them, like one of these cars is a special edition, but I don't have that one. I'm not sure how it looks like. Well, I've been told that there's a elusive one that's a bit rarer than most. So if I manage to get that one, maybe I'll showcase that one next time. But yeah. So as we might know, the Nissan GT-R is actually had, like, this is the second time they came out, because the first one was the 2009 Nissan GT-R. This one's the 2017, so it's a bit different. But yeah, let's have a look. Of course, it's the US card at the back, and this is an international card. Okay, let's have a look. Oops. Gotta get the lighting on point. Focus in a bit. Alright. So you can see the metal flake orange. Personally, the Nissan GT-R has always been so beautiful in the orange color. The grey wheels. Nissan GT-R 2017 Nissan GT-R. The car is designed in 2016. Yeah, very nice. You can see that the windows are actually not separated. It's like one whole design of plastic. Just get this out of the way. Alright guys, I'll see you in another video. Bye.